Welcome to ClubMOS Blockchain. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to integrate ClubMOS into MetaMask and other wallets, and get your wallet fully ready for use. First, download MetaMask or any supported wallet from the App Store or Play Store. Tap Get Started, then choose to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you are creating a new wallet, set a secure password. Carefully save your secret recovery phrase and confirm it. Once completed, accept the terms and conditions. Your wallet is now ready to use. Now, let's integrate ClubMOS Blockchain. Open your wallet and go to the Browser or Explore section. Search for www.mosscan.com. Scroll down and tap on Add ClubMOS. Your wallet will now automatically connect to the ClubMOS blockchain. If you are using other wallets like Token Pocket, open the Discover section, search for Mosscan.com, scroll down, and tap Add ClubMOS. Your wallet is now successfully integrated. If automatic integration is not available, you can add the network manually. Go to Add Custom Network in your wallet and enter the following details. Network name, ClubMOS. Currency symbol, CMX. Chain ID, 2255. RPC URL, https://rpc.mosscan.com. Block Explorer, https://mosscan.com. Save the settings. Now select ClubMOS Network from your wallet. Your ClubMOS wallet is ready. Now, let's add tokens to your wallet. Go to the Tokens section and select Import Token or Add Custom Token. Choose the ClubMOS network and tap the plus icon. Paste the token contract address. If you don't have the contract address, go to www.mosscan.com, open the Tokens section, select your token, and copy the contract address. Paste it into your wallet. Your token will now appear successfully. Your wallet is now fully integrated with ClubMOS Blockchain and ready for transactions. Welcome to a faster, smarter Web3 experience with ClubMOS.